Welcome back to Wythnos. This week, the Senedd welcomed its newest Senedd member, Lindsay Whittle, who was recently elected last month following Plaid Cymru's notable victory in the Caerphilly by-election. In his opening speech, he paid tribute to his predecessor, Hefyd David, promising to never forget the worthy contributions made by Hefyd, as well as promising to fight for every community in the constituency. His tributes to Hefyd were also echoed by party leaders and other members of the Senedd across the chamber.
Earlier this week, further details of the Welsh Government's £27 billion draft budget for 2026 to 27 were published, which showed increases in funding for all key departments, with the NHS, local government and housing receiving 2.5% and 2.3% hikes. The final budget is set to be published on the 20th of January 2026, with a Senedd vote scheduled for the 27th of January 2026.
During FMQs, which was taken by the Deputy First Minister Darren Millar, questioned Welsh Labour's strategy to tackle NHS waiting lists following the Welsh Government's failure to eliminate all 2-year waiting times for NHS treatment by March 2023. Plaid Cymru's leader, Rina Biorath, also raised concerns about the Welsh NHS as well as failings in education.
Plaid Cymru also led a debate on the National Care Service, where they accused the Welsh Labour Government of allowing plans for a National Care Service to become painfully slow and drag on without direction. Responding to the debate, Dawn Bowden committed to funding a national short break scheme and carer support fund for a further 3 years from 2026. In legislative news, the general principles of the Homelessness and Social Housing Allocation Wales Bill were agreed as the bill enters Stage 2.
Next week, expect statements from the Deputy First Minister and Cabinet Secretary for Climate Change and Rural Affairs on COP30 and Wales Climate Week, as well as a statement by the Minister for Children and Social Care on the annual report on the abuse of older people. Oral questions next week will also be to the Cabinet Secretary for Housing and Local Government and the Cabinet Secretary for Education. And that's the Wythnos from Team Camlas. Hwyl am y tro.